right, guys, hope you enjoyed the little show here. Such a beautiful set here. Don't want to talk too much about this because it is not for sale, unfortunately, in the United States at the moment. It is only for sale in China, and I still don't know if it's still available. I don't know the price, none of that, but what I do know is that there is 100 sets for a sample in America, and just a sample only. So these are probably sent out to most of the elite dealers maybe. And here's a 100 years thank you note here, and here is the model number right there with an inspection sheet, which is pretty cool. This is very, very exclusive right here, and very limited. So they sent one out to me to ask you guys if you would like to see something like this in the United States, and if it gets popularity down below. They want to see what your feedback is. So feedback, comment down below if you would like to see something like this. Very, very beautiful right here. They look very similar to the Hosan screwdrivers. I've seen them on Amazon. They're all black though, and there's like only one set, and it's I don't know if it has the hex bolsters on them or the striking cap on them, but yeah, they look very similar, and these have like a nice coating on top of them too with this beautiful paint job. And they are JIS, and it has the jaws grip, little grips on the Phillips, as you could see earlier in this video. The stubbies are super cool. I like that. The full anniversary logo and stuff right there. And yeah, I love the paint schemes on these too as well. That's a little swirly design on these. Very, very nice. And yeah, if you'd like to see something like this in the United States, definitely let them know. Not much else to say about this. It was cool that they sent this out. I saw it first at SEMA. They were showcasing it, and definitely, for sure, would love to see something like this. So let them know down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching, and on to the next.